Center. So, if nasilip niyo po sa labas, may color orange, yun po siya. So, kumbaga dito pa lang sa parking natin is tanaw na si Caloocan City North Medical Center. And then, 5 minutes away, ayan, si Camarin Doctors na po. And then, if you are familiar with Tala Hospital, siya po yung, si Tala Hospital po is around mga 10 minutes away lang po siya sa atin. And, ito po siya. Si Tala po dati is parang referral for leper patients. Kaya din po naging popular si Dr. Jose Rodriguez Hospital. And at the same time, si Commonwealth Hospital and Medical Center naman po, ito po yung nasa likod na SM Fairview. Yan po siya. And then si Bernardino General Hospital po, ayan, they are having po ng medyo malaking hospital po dito, nag-create po sila dito sa Barte. And then the North Caloocan Doctors Hospital po natin, this is located naman po along Carino Highway, which is mga 15 minutes away lang din po sa atin. Ayan po. So, aside po from our medical professionals, ayan, we are also potential student market din po. Actually, parang last time, meron din po nag-walk-in dito ng mga students. So, they are also looking na po talaga ng mga within our area ng mga possible po na patutuluyan nila. So, kumbaga, kahit yung naman po tayo ng kalapit with UP and Huron College, but still some of po natin, student market po is medyo pumunta na rin po dito. That is because medyo mababa po yung cost of living natin since medyo suburban po tayo. And at the same time, yung yung halfway home idea din po natin na they can visit their relatives or their loved ones from time to time. Ayan. For our universities po or mga colleges within the area, ang pinakamalapit po dito si UCC, si University of Caloocan City, si St. Clair College, dito lang po siya sa Barte. And ayan, si PUP Caloocan po is nag-start po sila ng construction. And then si Our Lady of Fatima University, mga 20 minutes away lang po siya from us. So, it is very popular po when it comes to medical courses. And then si National University, Fairview Campus, ito po yung nasa taas ng SM Fairview. And then si STI Fairview po, ito po medyo malaki po siya na STI branch dyan sa may Regalado. So, aside from that po, meron din po tayo mga other colleges pa dito within our area. And then aside from that, so aside from